Welcome OSA families. We're here to demonstrate to you our new way to be able to find the student report cards. The first thing you want to do is go onto our website at theswimacademy.ca. On the top corners you're going to see student report card and parent login. Click on the parent login and sign in as normally. And once you're on your dashboard, go to the top 3 lines at the very corner of your screen and click on account. Once you're under account, you'll see the students and all the students within your family that are on the same screen. Go to the student of interest and stay under details and scroll down to the very bottom under additional info. You'll see report card participant number. Copy the number and you'll then go back to our website, click on student report card and insert that number here. Click search and voila! Here is your report card for the current session. Click on the report card itself and you'll be able to see all sorts of things such as the instructor, the day they published the report card, the student's name, if they've completed or not completed the skill, the instructor's feedback, as well as all the skills that have been marked off for that level. Hopefully this will help make it nice and easy for you to be able to see everything that's necessary for the communication with the instructor and keep it COVID safe. Thanks everyone and have a great day.